How to log into Messenger without Facebook. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can log into your Messenger account without your Facebook account. For that, make sure you have downloaded Messenger application on your device. Now open this Messenger application on your device and you will reach to this login interface. Here at the very button, you will find two different options to log into your Messenger account. The first one says login with your Facebook and the second one says login with phone or email. As we are going to log into Messenger without Facebook, so choose the second option that says login with phone or email. Once you click on it, you will be presented with this login interface. Here in the first box, you will have to enter an email address or phone number associated with your Messenger account. Now in the second box, enter your password. Make sure you enter the correct password here. Once you have entered your password, you can also click on this I button to recheck your password to know whether it is correctly entered or not. Finally, click on this login button, wait for a moment, and then you will see you have successfully logged into your Messenger account without Facebook. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.